Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises versatility and durability: the Amazon Basics enameled cast iron Dutch oven. I've been testing this out for a while now, putting it through various cooking tasks to see how it holds up. Let's get into the details. First off, let's talk about the design. The Amazon Basics Dutch oven comes in a range of attractive colors and sizes, from a compact 4.3 quart to a spacious 7.3 quart. It features a sturdy cast iron build with an enamel coating that not only enhances its appearance but also makes it easier to clean. The handles are robust, though they do get hot during cooking, so oven mitts are a must. In terms of functionality, this Dutch oven really shines. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can easily transition from stovetop searing to oven baking without any issues. The lid is well designed with a self-basting feature that ensures your food stays moist and flavorful. Now, onto performance. I've used this Dutch oven for everything from slow cooking curries to baking bread, and it's consistently delivered excellent results. It distributes heat evenly, which helps in achieving perfectly cooked dishes. The enamel coating has held up well, although I've been careful to use wooden or silicone utensils to avoid any chipping. Despite being on the heavier side, typical of cast iron cookware, I found it comfortable to handle thanks to its well-balanced design. The curved bottom makes stirring and mixing a breeze, though some users have noted it provides slightly less space for searing larger cuts of meat. Cleaning this Dutch oven has been straightforward. Thanks to the enamel coating, food residue comes off easily with gentle scrubbing, and it's not prone to sticking. As for the cons, it's not dishwasher safe and requires hand washing, and some users have reported enamel chipping over time. Overall, the Amazon Basics enameled cast iron Dutch oven is a solid choice for anyone looking to invest in a versatile piece of cookware without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, its performance and durability make it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen arsenal. That wraps up our review of the Amazon Basics enameled cast iron Dutch oven. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!